Get there. Go. There you go, buddy. What do you think, bro? Beep, beep, coming through. All right, what'd you make again?
They're like theme cars.
Oh man, so awesome. How many?
169.
It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right, well, we are done with the leveling and top dressing. Put down about, I think it was about, you watching? 500 pounds? Yeah, about 500 pounds, however many cubic yards of sand that is, on here. And then we put some, no, don't push pause, buddy. And then we put 4 pounds of chicken poop on there. My boy helped me do that. Thank you, Colt. Did you have fun putting the chicken poop down? That fertilizer? Good. Hey, no, point over here. Point. All right, good job. You're a good cameraman. So all in all, that's a lot more laborious than I was expecting. It took a lot longer than I was expecting. Of course, I should have expected that. But I can already tell it looks a lot more level. Colton, kind of point the camera a little bit more that way. There you go. And it's a lot more level, and I watered in the fertilizer, and I could already tell that there's a lot less little puddles and pooling. Of course, there still is, and that's going to take a while to correct. But super happy with it, and I'll do it again. And can't tell you how many people walk by and were like, "What the hell are you doing?" Or they have no idea what's going on, do they, Colt? Like, why are you killing your grass again? Why are you doing sand? And that's, I want a bunker. I had a fairway, now I want a bunker. Anyway, that's it. So thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Colton, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
All right, see you around.